Preamble. We sovereign Filipino people, seeking the Almighty God to construct a compassionate society and establish a government and that embodies our ideal, and this aspiration promotes the common good, conserve and develop our heritage, and secure for ourselves and our posterity of independence and democracy, and under the rule of law and the system of truth, justice, freedom, love, equality, and peace, hereby decree and promulgate of this Constitution